Hi friends, consider one more example. Form the PDE from f of xy by z, comma z equal to 0. Here, in place of pi, f is there. That is f of uv. Therefore, given function is of the form f of uv equal to 0, where u equal to xy by z and v equal to z. Therefore, differentiate u and v with respect to x and y. Therefore, dou u by dou x. Here we need to apply u by v rule because z is a function of xy. Therefore, denominator square z square, keep z as it is. Differentiation of xy with respect to x, keep y as it is, x means y. Next, minus, keep numerator as it is, xy, and differentiation of denominator, that is dou z by dou x. Therefore, dou u by dou x equal to, here y is a common, therefore I will take y outside. Next, remaining is z minus x, and this notation is p square. So notation is p and divided by z square. Next, with respect to y, therefore dou u by dou y. Similarly, again u by v rule, z square, and here we need to differentiate y by x is a constant, therefore I will take x outside. Next, keep denominator as it is. Next, differentiation of numerator is 1 minus numerator as it is. Next, dou z by dou y, notation is dou z by dou y. Therefore, x outside, z minus yq z square. Next, v with respect to xy, dou v by dou x equal to dou z by dou x. Therefore, dou v by dou x equal to p, and dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y, so dou v by dou y equal to dou z by dou y. Therefore, dou v by dou y equal to q. And we have a procedure, that is differentiate given equation, differentiate equation f of uv with respect to x and y. We have dou f by dou u by dou x plus dou f by dou v by dou x equal to 0. Next, and dou f by dou v, dou f by dou u, and dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v and dou v by dou y equal to 0. Divide one function by other, we'll get dou f by dou u, dou f by dou u get cancel. First we transfer the second term to RHS to cancel the terms. Dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x equal to minus dou f by dou v, dou u by dou x and dou f by dou u by dou y equal to minus dou f by dou v, dou u by dou y. To cancel dou f by dou u, dou f by dou u, dou f by dou v, dou f by dou v, divided by 1 by other, we get dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y equal to dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y. Substituting the terms, we have dou u by dou x y z minus xp divided by z square and dou u by dou y x z minus yq divided by z square equal to p by q. Here z square get cancel. Y into z minus xp divided by x minus x into z minus yq equal to p by. By cross multiplication, we have yq z minus xp equal to xp z minus xp z minus yq. Then simplifying, yz q minus xy pq equal to xpz minus xy pq get cancel. Transfer this term to here, we'll get z get cancel. Therefore yq equal to xp is required PD. Now we consider one more, the different example. That is, we have higher order derivatives from the PDE from z equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of. Here we have two functions, we need to eliminate two functions, therefore we need to have second order derivative. Solution: here we have two arbitrary functions, hence we need to find second order partial derivatives. Second order partial derivatives. Second order partial derivatives. Therefore, differentiate given equation partially with respect to x and y. Therefore, dou z by dou x. Here, keep y as it is, f dash of x plus y as it is and x is therefore pi of y. We call this equation number 1. Next, with respect to y, give the notation dou z by p equal to y into f dash of x plus pi of y. Give the equation number 1. Now, with respect to y, dou z by dou y. Now, with respect to y, therefore y is 1, keep f of x as it is, plus now keep x as it is and differentiation of function, that is pi dash of y, using the notation q equal to f of x plus x into pi dash of y. Call the equation number 2. Now, the second order derivatives. Equation number 1 with respect to x, dou 2z by 2x square with respect to x, therefore keep y as it is, and one more differentiation, that is f double dash of x, and this will be 0 because y is constant. Therefore the notation is, second order notation, this is r equal to y into f double dash of x. Next, mixed derivative, the first equation with respect to y or second equation with respect to x, that is mixed derivatives dou 2z by dou x dou y. Equation number 1 with respect to y, therefore keep x term as it is, therefore f dash of x plus phi dash of y, which is equal to, notation is, this is t, therefore the notation, this is s, the notation is s, therefore f dash of x plus pi dash of y. We call this equation number 4. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Next, one more, the second equation with respect to y, that is dou 2z by dou y square. Keep x term as a constant, therefore this is 0 and this is x as it is, and pi double dash of y, using the notation, this is t equal to x pi double dash of y. Call this equation number 5. From equation 1, from 1, f dash of x equal to p minus pi of y divided by y. From 2, pi dash of y equal to q minus f of x divided by q minus f of x divided by x. Substitute f dash and pi dash in equation number 4. Therefore, equation 4 becomes s equal to p minus pi of y divided by y plus q minus f of x divided by x. Take the LCM and transfer here. LCM xy, and this term is multiplied by x. Therefore, xp minus x into pi of y plus this term is qy minus y into f of x. Therefore, you transfer this term here. xys px minus qy. Take minus outside. X into pi of y plus y into f of x. And this term is from the given equation, that is z. Therefore, xys equal to p of x. We need to eliminate the functions. Therefore, p of x minus px minus, this is plus minus this term from the given equation z, because given is required PD